Hello, Duke. Did you have your second bath of your life? Duke just had his second bath. He's all frisky now. Are you all frisky? And today his ears are starting to stand up, like majorly. Ow, you hit me. Don't throw that thing at me. Is that your squirrel? Where's your squirrel? The squirrel still alive? Uh-oh.
This is the Money Hughes Salute the Troops Classic Rock Long Weekend. Classic Rock, Key 107.
The squirrel and the chicken's down there now. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Duke, where's your chicken? Go get him. You want me to get him for you? You want me to get him for you? Okay, 1 second. There you go. Help me! Oh, my tail is stuck. Help me, I'm only an innocent squirrel. Oh. What happened? He tore his tail off. Uh-oh. What'd you do to the squirrel? Did you tear his poor little squirrel's tail off? Still has a part of a tail. sit nice? You gonna like do high five for it? High five. Do high five. High five. High five. Do high five. Good boy. Okay, you want the tail. You want that tail bad? Ow! Better not eat that. Lay down. Good boy. Where's your chicken? You want your chicken? Where's your chicken? Eat your chicken. Can you eat your chicken? You want that? You want the tail? You want the squirrel tail? You want that? What are you going to do? You going to do a trick? Can you speak? Yes, that's your tail, and it's a long one. Is that your tail? And what are you doing to the carpet? Mommy's gonna get you in trouble there. Look. Hey. Don't eat the carpet. What are the rules? Don't eat the house. Don't eat my car. Don't eat the furniture. No, you can't eat the carpet. Hey. Where's the chicken? Where's the chicken? Where did it go? Where'd the chicken go? Where's it? There it is. The hand's quicker than the eye. Run for your life.